Hello, welcome, and we will be doing a modeling of something interesting today. It's an interior space, so it's a room basically, more specifically a bedroom and a bathroom, en suite. And to do that, there are many different techniques, but we're going to use one specific technique, which I'm going to demonstrate now. So the first thing we do, we create a layer, which is basically a plan. And we make it 200 by 300, and we keep number of segment 1 and 1 because this is the base layer, so nothing's gonna happen to it. So we have our layer. We're going to change color, make something, it's okay, we can leave it like that. And this layer we're going to do something to it, so we will call the material editor. Sorry, I have hiccups. And in the material editor, we select a new texture to apply to we're going to apply texture to the layer, and that texture is going to be a particular one, which I'm going to show you now. So we go to the folder where the textures are, and it's basically the layout of the room. So that becomes the texture that you apply, and you apply it to the selection. And we now have, if we close the material editor by pressing the key M, and looking into the actual perspective, we maximize, and here we have Control Shift Z, and we have our layer on with the layout of the room as a texture. So the next thing we do, we minimize Alt W, and we do the next step, which is to create another plane, which we will then draw on top of the other. And we don't care about the distance or the dimensions, because then we fix that there. So it's 200 by 300, and this time we put 15 by 15. So it's a bit more complex layer, and then we're going to move it to make sure it's right where we want it to be, which is on top of the on the original layer, here, and we move it also slightly up because I like that, and of course what we do, we press Alt X to turn to a transparent layer so we can do our work. Then you go to the perspective, and we do a few things. First thing, we click on the contextual menu, and you convert our plan into an editable poly. And once we're there, we can do something very simple. The encoder is being overloaded. We'll carry on in the next video because my video keeps breaking. Just a second. I'll carry on the next video.